my name is Tasmita. My matrix number is 01DEP25F1005. So today we're having a group discussion for DBM 10163, which is Engineering Maths. And today's presentation is about trigonometry in triangulation for location, which is like GPS and mobile tracking. So let's jump into the introduction. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between the angle and the side of a triangle, especially right angle triangle. So trigonometry, it's about measuring triangles. It mainly uses ratios like sine, cosine and tangent to solve problems involving height, distance and angle. In real life definition, trigonometry is a tool that helps us find unknown distance or height by using angles. So this is the introduction to triangulation like GPS and mobile tracking. Triangulation is a method to use to determine the location of an unknown point by measuring angle and distance from at least two or more known points. The concept is strongly connected to trigonometry since it involves calculating position by using the relationship between sides and angles of triangles. In GPS, global positioning system, and mobile tracking, satellites or cell towers act as the known reference point. By applying trigonometry formulas, the system calculates the distance between the device and each satellite or tower. When distance from at least three points are combined, the exact location of the device can be determined. This triangulation is an important real-life application of trigonometry widely used in navigation, mapping, and communication systems.
Hello everyone, my name is Jeffrina and I'm going to talk about this diagram. This diagram is shown that how triangulation works in mobile tracking. The three blue points are communication tower that is fixed and known location. The red point is the mobile phone, which is unknown. Secondly, using the angles and distance between the tower and the phone, trigonometry helps to calculate the exact position of the phone. This method is used in GPS, mobile network, and even during emergencies to find a person location accurately. Okay, the next part is concept of sin, cos, and tan in triangulation, which is when locating a mobile using tower or satellite. Each connection from a triangle with the base represent the horizontal distance between the tower and the mobile. The height is the vertical difference, maybe due the elevation of curtain, and the hypotenuse is the direct line from the tower to the mobile. Um, Using the triangle, we can apply sine, cosine, and tangents to calculate unknown distance, or angles to find the exact location of the device.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Muhammad Asnan. My metric number is 01DEP25 F1053. Today I will be explaining about trigonometric ratios help calculate unknown distance or angles. We usually use three main ratios, which is sine, cosine, and tangent. Trigonometric ratios are very useful when we need to calculate unknown distances or angles. There are three main ratios we use. The first one is the formula is opposite over hypotenuse. We usually use sine to find the height of vertical distance when we know the hypotenuse and the angle. Second is cosine. The formula is adjacent over hypotenuse. We use cosine to find the horizontal distance, for example, from a tower to a mobile phone. And the third one is tangent. The formula is opposite over adjacent. Tangent is useful when we only know one side and the angle, and we need to calculate the other side. So in short, the three ratios are the foundation of how we use trigonometry in real life situation, are like GPS and triangulation.
So here is an example calculation for triangulation using trigonometry like GPS or mobile location. So they have given the angle of A, B and P we need to find. Same goes to the length of A and B we need to find, and they have given the length of P, which is 5 meter. A means is tower A, B means tower B, and P goes to phone. Okay, so the first step we need to find the angle of P, which is 180 minus with 40 and minus with 60, so we'll get 80, which is angle of P, the value of P. So the next step is we need to find the length of A. So the steps are A over sine A equals to P over sine P. So we need to insert the value. Okay, and if we insert and we do the calculation, the A value, which is 3.26 meter. Okay, and same calculation method for B. Okay, length of B equals to B over sine B equals to P over sine P, and after we insert the values and we calculate, we will get the value of B is 4.04 meter. Okay, and finally we need to solve the triangle. Okay, the area of triangle, which is 1 over 2 A times B times sine C. Okay, so just insert the value, the A and the length, the value of length A and B, and sine C is 80. So we get the answer is 7.96 meter square.
Okay, right now we will look at the second example of triangulation using trigonometry in GPS and mobile locations, which is how GPS and mobile networks find locations. So as you can see in these triangulations, we are given angle A is 56.44 degrees, angle B is 30 degrees, side A is 5 centimeters. So the first step is to find the missing angle of B. Since the angles of a triangle must add up to 180, using the formula we will get 53.56 degrees. And then step 2, to find the length of B. The formula is P over over sine P equals A over sine A. If you insert all the numbers, we will get 5.99 centimeters. And then the length of B, we will using the same method, using the formula same as the length of B, and you will get 3 centimeters. And then the last step is to find the area of the triangle, and the formula is 1 over 2 times A times B times sin C. And then insert all the numbers. It will be 1 over 2 times 5 times 3 times sin 93.56, and then the result is about 7.949 meter square. And then that's all for the calculation. Yeah, thank you. Okay, finally let's talk about the objective of this lesson. The main goal is to apply sine, cosine and tangent rules to determine the precise location. This is how GPS and mobile networks find where we are by using triangulation. Triangulation is very important, especially in emergencies, because it helps locate people quickly. It also improves the accuracy of navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze, making sure the directions are correct. Trigonometry also helps network providers optimize coverage and reduce signal errors, so our mobile connection are more reliable. And more importantly, learning this helps us build problem-solving skills, because we are applying math formulas to real engineering challenges. So trigonometry is not just a theory; it has real practical uses in our daily lives.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the last part, that is conclusion of trigonometry in triangulation for location, GPS and mobile tracking. And my first point is trigonometry enable communication system to pinpoint mobile device and GPS receiver accurately. It is means trigonometry helps to calculate the exact position of a mobile phone using the angles and distance between the tower and satellites. And my second point is triangulation is essential for navigation, emergency response, and communication technology. Without triangulation, app like Google Map or ways wouldn't work properly. It's also used to find people during emergencies. And my third point is it's improve public safety by helping locate victim quickly during accident or natural disaster. For example, if someone's called 999 but they can't speak or they are any dangerous, triangulation helps rescues find their location fast. It's help police or any investigator. And my fourth point is modern tech and self-driving car and delivery drones are really on accurate position made by possible triangulation, which is the technology need to know their act location to move safely, and they use trigonometry calculation to do that. Okay, my fifth point is, which is my last point, is trigonometry bridge the gap between mathematics and the real world technology, showing its importance beyond the academics. Um, that is, this shows that we learn in class is actually used in our real life, especially in tech and engineering field. That's all from us. Thank you.